So now we are leaving the place, Alexander Heritage and Rainforest Resort. It's really a good place, and for a day picnic or a one night stay, it is really a good option for camping as well as if you want to stay in cottages. So yes, it's a good place, completely vegetarian. Go for it. Weather is cold but not that cold, so it is pretty much bearable. So we are walking towards market now. You can also do a horse ride or a Mathiran tour on a horse. They have written they charge you something 500. We have reached the market. So today the crowd is very less and sky is very blue today. My camera is capturing the beautiful sky today. So we are taking this star fruit. Let me know in comments who likes this fruit. I like it. I used to have it during school times. So उसके बाद अभी मैं खा रही हूँ ये. So the toy train has come already. So we are going by this back to Mathiran or Aman Lodge. Yeah. So this is the restaurant recommended by my friend, Hotel Mejwani. So we're gonna have lunch over here. Unfortunately, we didn't get the ticket for toy train. So this is our food: chicken handi, butter naan, salad. This is our mutton dum biryani ordered by Pratik. He wants to eat mutton today, and these guys will eat mutton. I don't eat mutton. नुसते हादडतात. The sky is really blue today, and there are some bossy clouds also, and then there is one more bossy cloud. So we didn't get the toy train again after standing in a queue. So finally we are going by walk to Aman Lodge. So again this 2 kilometers walk, and I'm freaking tired because this road is very rocky. You don't have the plain road. And now the train will leave the station. The station का नाम क्या है रे? माथेरान टू अमन लॉज. हाँ, माथेरान स्टेशन से ट्रेन निकलेगी अभी 2:40 को. तो हमको ऐसे थोड़ा साइड में होना पड़ेगा. ट्रेन आएगी तो ट्रैक पे. हम लोग ट्रैक के बाजू से चल रहे हैं. Definitely it was a pleasant walk. But right now I'm not in a mood to walk so much. So the train is coming, guys. स्मिता निमिष दिसत नाही आहे तुम्ही हो. Sadly we missed the train. I'm feeling so sad, man. We didn't get the ticket of this train, and I never got a chance to sit in toy train, though I have even come to Mathiran. That's the saddest thing ever. So this is the view you get if you come by walk and not by train. Train went to Aman Lodge and it came back to Mathiran, but we are still walking.
Smita, tell me your views.
मला खूप जाम म्हणजे इतकं भारी होतं. सगळा स्ट्रेस अँड ऑल रिलीज झाला लाईक एवढा टाइम नंतर. बट मजा आली म्हणजे आम्हाला जॅमिंग सेशन कालचा तर होल डे नाईट आम्ही खूप मजा केली. नाईटला थोडंसं काही लोक परत गेलं.
And finally we have reached Aman Lodge.
Yes.
That's the
And Pooja, do you want to say something?
achievement of
सगळ्यांनी थांबायला पाहिजे होतं एवढंच माझं म्हणणं आहे.
Do you want to say something?
परत गेले.
trip was really amazing. We
Yes.
hope to see you in our next trip. So let's see when
Yes.
we shall schedule our next trip. माथेरान is equals to monkey. कितने सारे monkeys है भाई, परेशान करके रख दिया. ऊपर से मेरा एप्पल भी लेके गए. जो हाथ में लोगे वो सब लेके चले जाएंगे वो लोग. So make sure when you're strolling on the Matheran market, you're not supposed to have anything in your hand which is edible items. They will come, they will chase you, and they will take that food. Sky is literally so blue today, man. This is so damn blue. It's actually a sky blue. So finally we have reached Dasturi. Now we'll sit in our car. This is a parking place. If you have come with your own vehicle, then you have to park here. So these are the charges they apply. So if it is two-wheeler, then every day 30 rupees. And then that is total 60. Four-wheeler is 100 same day. And next day hoga to it would be 150. And another vehicles other than four-wheelers and two-wheelers, then total is 180. So we are waiting for our car. Swapnil is bringing the car which is in parking. So basically, you know, to come here there is a lot of struggle, as I and Smita was discussing the same, because you know you can't reach here on the go. You have to come to Dasturi, then you have to park your car over here, then you have to walk for the Aman Lodge like 20-25 minutes. You have to get the ticket of, you know, entry ticket of 50 rupees. So you have to take that ticket. Then once you take the ticket, the train is like, if you don't get the train ticket, then you have to go by walking. And that's the only thing that happened with us. We came by walking while coming. And while going, you know, these guys went early. I went little late. So these are the struggles if you are planning Matheran. But the place is really good. I definitely recommend for, you know, like if you are going for a one-time vacation or something nearest to the Mumbai, then this is the place. It's a very beautiful place, and especially in winters, it's really nice place. So yeah, that was it about, and like I also wanted to discuss about this camping pros and cons. So staying in camping is good, but you know you have to check the season as well, because if it's rainy season, then camping is like your, you know, tent will get so messy because Matheran has a red soil. So our shoes has got spoiled literally very bad. So you have to be very careful for that. And again, the camping cons will be if you want to pee or if you want to go to toilet, then toilets are so far. So that's the kind of thing. And even for the bathing, it's a shareable, you know, what you say, bathroom. So that's the thing. Otherwise, it's good.
Also insects and
Yeah, there are a lot of
aware of
insects,
that. Yes.
and there are a lot of monkeys too. So yeah, you have to be aware of monkeys in Matheran. If you're coming Matheran, then be aware of monkeys, please. That's really, really I'm recommending you. They are
Yes.
very, very, you know, they chase us like.
don't take any tables in your hand.
They just took it away. They come, they stand in front of you, and they don't come alone. They come in a gang, and they attack you. I experienced it. I had an apple in my hand, and I didn't realize it. So everybody came to me, and I was like, dude, they were literally attacking me. So I gave away the apple for them. Yeah.
She has to.
Yeah, I have to. Otherwise, I don't know. They would have
Almost
attacked me.
One monkey was almost she was there on Pooja.
So this is the view from the
पूर्ण जेवण जिरलं आमचं. जेवलं ते नशीब समजा.
मला एक पॉइंट लाटायला लागला तर विसरलास तू गाडी कुठे.
Oh my goodness, such a beautiful. So here we are ending our Matheran trip, and it was really mind-blowing trip. So can you guys please tell how was the trip?
We actually enjoyed the trip. We wish our other members were present here too, but that's not possible.
खूपच मजा आली आम्हाला ॲक्च्युली. वी एन्जॉयड अ लॉट.
Okay.
मेरा गुजरात से आना सफल रहा. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay. What about?
Fun and adventurous.
Yeah, truly.
Thank you very
And
much,
these guys made me walk so much. Okay, nevertheless,
That's
so we'll see you in our next trip. Until then, take care, be safe, and
Bye.
please subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
To Poco Tales.
Thank
Do
you.
like, subscribe, comment on our vlog.
Yes,
Thank you.
there is a lot of fun we have
Yes.
included in our vlog,
Thank you so much.
the Mathiran trip. Bye guys, see ya. Lots of love. Thank you. Visit again, Mathiran. So here we conclude our vlog.